Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 54. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Sri Sekhar Malhotra, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellant, argued that as the DRT Act and Scrutinization Act have been enacted by the Parliament under Article 246(1) of the Constitution for speedy recovery of debt due to bank or financial institution or for enforcement of security interest by the secured creditors, and overriding effect has been given to these legislation. The provision contained therein will have primacy over state legislation which have been enacted under Article 246(2) of the Constitution and under which first charge has been created in favor of the state in respect of the dues of sales tax, etc. He further argued that even though the central and state legislation have not been enacted with reference to a particular entry in List 3 in the 7th scheduled, Article 254 will get attracted, and the Kerala and Bombay High Court committed an error by refusing to accept the submission that bank, financial institution and secured creditor have priority in the matter of recovery of debt or enforcement of security interest vis-a-vis the state right to recover the dues of sales tax, etc. He further submitted that in view of Article 254(1) of the Constitution, provision contained in state laws which are repugnant or too inconsistent with central legislation are liable to be ignored. Sri Rakesh Dwivedi, learned senior counsel appearing for the state of Kerala and Maharashtra respectively, argued that even though the DRT Act and Scrutinization Act contain non-obstant clause suggesting that the provision contained therein would prevail over other laws, the same must be interpreted keeping in view the legislative policy underlying those enactment, and if they are so interpreted, Section 38C of the Bombay Act and Section 26B of the Kerala Act and similar provision contained in other state legislation by which first charge has been created on the property of the dealer or any other person liable to pay sales tax, etc., cannot be treated inconsistent with central legislation. Sri Dwivedi submitted that the DRT Act and Scrutinization Act have been enacted to speed up the recovery of the dues of bank, financial institution and secured creditor, but there is no provision in the two enactment by which first charge has been created in favor of bank, etc., and therefore the provision contained in state legislation creating first charge in respect of the dues of sales tax etc. cannot be treated as inconsistent with central legislation. Sri Dwivedi further submitted that levy and collection of tax etc. is sovereign function as well as necessity of the state, and as such the state has exclusive plenary power to legislate on that subject, and in the absence of any provision in the DRT Act or Scrutinization Act creating first charge in favor of the bank etc. in lieu of their dues, this legislation cannot be given overriding effect. The provision contained in the state legislation and right of state to recover the dues of sales tax. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.